So today we're going to be working on combining like terms and distributing. So this example, the first thing you need to do when you're working with combining like terms is to code your variables. And when I say code your variables, what that means is you need the same mark under the same variable. So under all of my X's, I drew a black line, and under all of my A's, I drew a red line. The most important thing you'll notice is there's no signs floating around. Like when I coded this negative 2a, I didn't just get the 2a. You must include the sign that goes with the coefficient because that's going to tell you what to do. So when I combine my x's on my calculator or in my head, it would be negative 4 plus 7 minus 3. And negative 4 plus 7 is positive 3. Positive 3 minus 3 is 0. So there won't be any x's left. When I combine my a's, I'm starting with negative 3. I'm taking away 2, which leaves me with negative 5a. All you're doing is you're putting the like variables together. So a's with a's, x's with x's. If I were to change this problem up a little bit, and let's say instead of a minus 3x, this was a minus 10x, I would do the problem the exact same way. My a's I already have combined. When I combine my x's, it'd be negative 4 plus 7, which is positive 3, and then positive 3 minus 10, which is minus 7x. Hey, here are a couple examples for you to go ahead and try. If you want to pause the tape and try these examples, you can do that now. Okay, when you code these, your coding should look something like this. It does not matter if you use different color lines or if you use squiggly lines or if you use different symbols like circles or squares. When you are coding, the most important thing is that your codes match each variable. So when you combine here, you end up with negative a minus 6b. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. And then when you combine your e's, your b's, negative 6 minus 5 plus 5 leaves you with negative 6. In this example, just because it's decimals, it does not change how the problem is done. You still code it. 3.4x plus 5.2x is 8.6x. Negative 5.2 minus 12.3 is negative 17.5. And the last one, 6a, let me go ahead and scroll up to make it easier to see. 6a minus 12a plus 10a gives you 4a, and negative 15b minus 5.5b gives you negative 20.5b. Combining like terms is a really simple method that we've done again and again this year. Same with the next slide, which is distributive property. When you distribute, you take what's on the outside of the parentheses and multiply it by both inside numbers. So in this first example, it will be 3 times x, which is 3x. It would be 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6. So that would take care of distributing this first part. Then I'd distribute over here. I'd do positive 3 times x, which is positive 3x. I'd do positive 3 times negative 4, which is negative 12. So all we did is we took the outside number and multiplied it here, took the outside number and multiplied it here. Once we have the distributing done, the rest is combining like we just did. It would be 3x would be combined with plus 3x, negative 6 would be combined with negative 12, and when we put those like terms together, we would get 6x minus 18.